right, guys, so now what we're actually going to do is we're going to practice creating box plots. So we're going to be making them for ourselves. Let's take a look at number 5. On number 5, the question is talking about 7 speeds that were taken from Highway 127, and they give us those speeds. Now, the first thing that we need to do is we need to find the median, the lower quartile, the upper quartile, the lower extreme, and the upper extreme. And then we need to graph them on the number line. So you need to do all of those statistical calculations first before we put them on your box plot. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and check your work. You should have already done this part. If you haven't, you need to pause the video and find the median, the lower quartile, the upper quartile, the lower extreme, and the upper extreme. Okay, all right, so your lower extreme for this data set should be 48. Your lower quartile should be 55. Your median should be 60. Your upper quartile should be 69. And then your upper extreme should be 75. So after we make those calculations, what we're going to do to make a box plot is to put them on the number line. Okay, so first I'm going to graph my lower extreme, which was 48. 48 is halfway between my 45 and my 50. Notice how on my number line, I didn't plot every individual value between 48 and 75. That would take us forever. Okay, I looked at my data set and I said, the best skip count is to go by 5s. So I just numbered by 5s. Okay, all right, our lower quartile was 55. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to plot above my 55. And notice how I'm graphing the dots above the number line. That's going to come in handy here in a second when we're putting in our box. Okay, all right, then we need our median, and our median is 60. So right above the 60, we're going to put a dot. Our upper quartile is 69. Okay, so it is one place behind the 70. And our upper extreme was 75. So I'm going to go right above the 75 and put my dot. Okay, so blue, check. We found the median and we put it all on the number line. Okay, all right, so next what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line through the median and a box around the median, the lower quartile, and the upper quartile. So I'm going to draw my line straight through the median. This shows everybody that this is the middle of my data set. This is the middle 50%. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a box around the median, the lower quartile, and the upper quartile. So remember, this is my lower quartile, this is my upper quartile, and the median is there in the middle. So there's my box. Okay, purple, check, done. Last step is to extend lines, or sometimes people call them whiskers, to the upper extreme and to the lower extreme. So I'm going to draw a line from here to here that connects my lower extreme to the box. And I'm going to draw a line from here to here that connects my upper extreme to the box. And now I have a box plot. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go down to question 5 on the activity. Okay, make sure you take a really good look at the answer choices because they've been mixed up. You're going to try it again. Okay, so find the box plot that matches the one that we just made.